who's ready for a puppet show? Hey, this is Mickey from TTPM, and I have my pals here. Who's here ready to play with me? Hi, Minnie, I'm here. We got Minnie. By the way, Minnie, how did you get here? Did you take your minivan? Oh, Mickey. And that sounds like Donald. Hey, Pluto, what do you have to say?
He doesn't talk, he's a dog!
So what are we? We're puppets! Yay! Puppets are Folkmanis! We're pretty tall! At least I'm tall! Hey, Minnie, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing my classic polka dot skirt over bloomers, and then I've got some heels on, and then a flower in my hat!
Oh, you look so nice!
Thank you!
What's it like being my sweetheart all these years?
Oh, it's great, Mickey! I love dancing and singing with you. We have so much fun.
I'm such a good dancer. Hey, why'd we let Donald in here? Does anybody see Pluto? Oh, Pluto's there. I thought we were gonna have to go to outer space to find him. Ha ha ha.
Hey, Pluto, can you show me your trick with your ears? Woo!
Now why doesn't Pluto talk? Hey Donald, I like your outfit. Would you wear that to a wedding? Or would you wear a tuxedo? So we're the classic characters of all the Disney characters. We're all about 22 inches tall in these luxurious, soft puppets. You can see our mouths move. Ears go up on Pluto. So these are great for young kids to play puppet time. You can pretend to be all types of animals like Pluto. Pluto, you have so much to say.
This has been Folkmanis Puppet Theatre. For more on these toys, including current pricing and where to buy, find us at TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more great toy reviews every day.